Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Jennifer Marie Vio, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from home. So today is a special video for my channel. A couple weeks ago I reached 100,000 subscribers here on my channel, and when you reach 100,000 subscribers, YouTube sends you a YouTube Creator Award. So I received this in the mail from California and I wanted to wait to unbox and open it up with you guys so we can see the award together. So I'm going to open this up. Okay, we got it open. Now let's see. Hopefully I don't break it. Okay. Ooh. So I received this. I'll open it up after. And this thing from YouTube that says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of receiving 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. And a little bit more. So that's exciting. And so here is the award. Woo! So this is the award here. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Oh, and it has like a little mirror. So it says on it, presented to Jennifer Marie for passing 100,000 subscribers, and it has YouTube on it. So I'm very, very excited to receive this award. This is probably the coolest award I have ever received. And I want to say thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. I started building this channel really 2 years ago, and I never expected it to reach this many subscribers so quickly. My goal on this channel is to provide you with real, honest, and sincere videos on how to make money online. I know there are hundreds of different money-making YouTube channels out there, and I really want mine to be different from others in that I am telling you the honest truth of how you can actually make money online without any scams or false advertisements. And if I can build a YouTube channel from scratch, I now have 2 different YouTube channels, this one which has 105,000 subscribers right now, and my other channel which just reached 16,000 subscribers. I know that you could also build your own YouTube channel and start making money online from YouTube, as well as other different freelancing opportunities and freelancing jobs that I discuss here on my channel. I also wanted to do a small giveaway now that I reached 100,000 subscribers by giving away $100 to a subscriber. And I created a poll and you guys decided you prefer to split the $100 with 10 different subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead and announce the winners of my draw now. And as my channel continues to grow, I will be doing bigger giveaways and more giveaways. So make sure to subscribe to my mailing list that I will link to in the description below if you want to learn about my future videos or any other contests that I may have. Okay, so it is now time for me to do my $100 giveaway. I created a poll and the majority said they preferred me to give away $10 to 10 different users rather than $100 to one user. So I will be using wheelofnames.com, and I have 93 different entries. There were 93 people who signed up to my mailing list. So all of these people will get to participate in my giveaway. So I will be spinning this wheel and 10 different people will win $10. If you are one of the winners, I will be contacting you via your email, and you can choose if you want me to send you $10 US via PayPal or Payoneer. So let's get started. So we have winner number 1, winner number 2, winner number 3, winner number 4, winner number 5, winner number 6, winner number 7, winner number 8, winner number 9, and our last winner. Winner number 10. So congratulations to these 10 different winners. I will be emailing each of you, and you will each win $10 US that I will send to you via PayPal or Payoneer. If you don't have PayPal and you don't have Payoneer, we can find some other way that I can send you $10. So congratulations once again. And as I keep growing this channel, I will continue to have more giveaways. To be able to qualify for any future giveaways, make sure to sign up to my mailing list. I will link you in the description below to my mailing list where you can join future contests and giveaways. So I want to thank you guys once again for subscribing to my channel, and I promise to keep delivering excellent content for you guys, teaching you real ways that you can make money online. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.